Hey everyone, it's Winchard here, and in this video, I'm gonna be unboxing all of the BT21 Happy Meal toys. So, let's do Koya first. Koya is my bias's BT21 character. So, here's the front, has the guys on the side, this is the back, and then it has the scan play thing. I don't know if it's still working, so I haven't done it. Look how cute it is! See? So the little thing, and it goes away when you hold it like that. So cute. Put that one there. Can't see it, but it's right here. Yeah, you can see that. Next is RJ. So they all have the same one, but all of the bases though is a different color. So you got purple for Koya and a light blue for RJ. I would have thought they would have done pink for RJ. Wow. There we go. So you got Koya and RJ. Next is Shuki. RJ belongs to Jin, and Shuki belongs to Sugar. This one's green, as you can see. The angry cookie. So Shuki's right next to OJ. And then we got Main here. Main is J-Hope's B21. Main used to have a hood and was called the Dancing Pony, but now Main is a chipmunk. Now I see they gave like the pinkish to Main instead of OJ. Still think it should have went to OJ. And now we're on to Jimmy. Is it the playful puppy that Chimmy is? Chimmy belongs to Jimin, which is my mom's bias. So we do a little turn here. Ta-da. So Shookie's is actually like a bluish because the green is with Chimmy. And now we're on to our little alien one. Tata. Tata belongs to V. Do a little turn. And now on to Cookie, the muscle bunny, which belongs to Jungkook. Oh, so V is my best friend Sam's bias. Now I'll go back to talk about Cookie. So Cookie is Jungkook's. A little turn. Oh, then that's unexpected. Do they all look like that? Hmm. Jungkook is my bestie Jazz's bias. And now we're on to Van, which belongs to Army. Ah! It went flying. Okay. We do a little tune. And now the spaceship. I'm not like literally. I got so sick of McDonald's. Like I literally got sick of McDonald's, like I did with the tiny tans. Ugh, jeez Louise. I've never eaten so many chicken nuggets with spice the sweet the one dipping sauce that comes with the chicken tenders. But jeez Louise, never ate that tomato. And now the poster with the sticker. Ooh. So here are the stickers. I'm gonna roll this back up so I can put it back into the little holder it goes in. I don't even know if I'm gonna use these stickers. I might just put them all in my BTS scrapbook I have. I gotta get pages to make scrapbooks. Because all those pages are in my Stray Kids one. So I'm working on that one now. Here's the poster. Wait, it's a puzzle? So there's a puzzle. Eek. So there's all kind of puzzles all over it. That's cute. Oh, I love the poster so much. Look how cute it is. It's really so cute. Oh, I love it. I don't think I'm gonna put these wrappings back in with mine. I'm just gonna toss those all. But yeah, I think this one might be one of my favorites. It's really cute. I gotta find a bag to put them all on because I have a K-pop bag, but like I have so much on that bag already. Maybe I could put it on my tiny tan bag if it'll fit. Yeah, if it'll fit. So we're putting it back into the box. Yeah, no, not putting that back in. Do, do, do. Yeah. Mom and I got sick off of McDonald's with Tiny Tan. It's like back to back years that BTS had done something with McDonald's. I'm actually kind of worried of what they're gonna do next year, if they're gonna do something. Which I hope they're not doing anything. I'm hoping. Because I don't want any more chicken. Well, I do love chicken nuggets, but I don't know if I want any more. I gotta find a place to put these. I can't figure out if to put them in a bag or not. On a bag. Eek. I think next time, I'm just gonna buy them all. If another McDonald's thing happens, I'm just gonna buy them. I'm not gonna eat the food. I may have a few Happy Meals, maybe, but I'll just buy the rest. But yeah, I'm glad to have completed this before the next toy drop happened, which was on the 18th, I think, with Hello Kitty. Yeah, I felt like I got done unboxing them all and sharing them all with you. And I gotta put them back where I got them in my room. Or find a place. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's just as much as I did showing them all to you. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Okay? Bye.